Good day, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with the Klarenbach Special Crops Report. Today is February the 3rd, 2025, 2026. 2026. Let's talk small green lentils. It's been a while since we looked at small green lentils. Again, special crops move slowly, and our status, our analysis has not changed since, well, before August. But August, we officially published a new crop year analysis. August the 2nd, you can go back to the website here and take a look at it. And yeah, we were encouraging making sales at those levels then. David Nobbs and I followed up with a video analysis on August 22nd. We shared that, and Dave shared his fundamental analysis, and I talked a little bit about technicals and just where we thought the price was going. At that time, we both thought it was going lower, which it has. Let's take a look at our charts here. This is small green lentils. This is a weekly chart. So what we're looking at here is the black line is their price line. It's a Klarenbach price index for Saskatchewan. That's right around that 21 cent level at the moment. This red line here is a 10-week moving average. Again, we're below that declining 10-week moving average. We're testing actually this previous low on the index back in September. Had a little rally. Weren't able to sustain it, and yeah, right now we're just testing that previous low. A little bit of previous resistance acting as support, I would argue, right back here in January 2020. You can see here this red line here is that was our sell signal back on the first part of August, August the 2nd it was, and the price right now is again 35% lower. So I mean, that's pretty significant if you're able to make some sales and took that idea and forward priced a bit before the harvest came in. But we anticipated lower prices, and we definitely got them. So let's look at the monthly chart and look at the candlestick chart. So each candlestick, if you're new to the channel again, it measures and displays the full range of prices during that month time frame. And take a look at this trend line going back to 2006 down here. And connected these lows through 18 and 19. And that's where we're finding some support from that trend line. Now, we often anticipate trend lines to act as support, and they will until they don't, right? So you see back here in 19, we had a retest, and eventually we found support from that trend line. We're testing it again, I would argue. I don't know if it's going to hold up or not. The trend remains down. We're quite extended from this 10-week moving average, so maybe there's some hope that the price consolidates sideways, allows this moving average to catch up to the price. But again, in the past, you can see that sometimes takes longer than we want. I have a head and shoulders pattern identified up here, a left shoulder ahead and a right shoulder. And when we broke that neckline, I came up with a measured move down to 13 cents a pound. Now, David and I talked about that. I'm not sure where all I talked about it, but I definitely talked about that August 22nd video with Dave. And, that's a measured move is actually a minimum price move. So if that's a head and shoulders and it's completed that pattern, now we anticipate a move down to this level. And again, it hasn't happened yet, but we want to be aware of that possibility. So, if you're still holding small green lentils, that 20 cent level is going to be very, very, very important. So, and why is it important? Well, it's a round number. It's 20 cents. People, it's psychologically important. You want to sell at 20 cents or buy at 20 cents. A break below 20 cents, I think, would open up some bins. And that old adage by the grain companies, you want to buy grain, lower the price. And so 20 cents is going to be very important. My index is right around that 21 cents at the moment. So just keep an eye on it. If you're still long green lentils, if you're profitable at 20 cents, sure, the price was higher in the past, but sell by the acre, not by the pound. Are you profitable per acre? You might need to take those profits. Probably should take profits. But don't get hung up on where the price was. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.